Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be using the volcano cursed technique. And, I wanted to get, because I didn't check how many likes we got on the last one, but I wanted to get a better cursed technique. So I went to do it once, and on my first try, I got volcano. So I was like, why not make a video? So, also you can get your curse technique is down there. I showed it in the last video, and I'll put a link in the description. And you might remember this. Oh, this guy's so dead. Oh, yeah. So basically, this is the main power of volcano. I think you just teleport them inside a volcano or something. But the next power is you kind of just shoot hands, I think. Yeah, I think it's just hands. It's kind of weird. But the next power is kind of weak, but it's very cool. So I'm going to wait for someone to step out of the safe zone. Okay, is no one going to go out? Like, seriously? I just want to murder them. Like, is that too much to ask for? Wait, where did that person just go? He just literally disappeared. Oh, he probably left the game. Okay. Is there anyone to... Oh, he's back. Just laser beam him. Boom! Yeah, you basically just shoot a thingy in him. Oh, he's doing this. And actually, wait. That reminds me, music. I'm going to turn that off for now so I don't get copyright. Okay, and he's dead. There's another person. How is that person not dead? How did he not die? That's like a new... Wait, how's he doing damage? What? No, he's not. He can't be doing damage to me. What? Okay, I'm really confused. How is this guy not dying? You know what? Let's screw him up. There we go. Alright. Beam him. Oh, he just got beat. Oh, I just sniped this person. Is he seriously trying? I mean, like, come on, dude. Serious? Did I get him? Oh, I don't think I got him. Like, I don't get it. Why do they just... Wait, why do they keep trying when they know that... Sometimes I just can't. I don't know. Beam him. Alright. So, is this guy strong? Oh, only QD. It's weak. It's weak. He's a noob. Okay, so... I don't get it. Okay, I think I am gonna go to Dimension 2 to see if I can find some people there. So I decided that I was having too much fun in Dimension 1 and that I don't really want to go to Dimension 2 and lose the server. So I think I might just stay here. So now I think I am going to show the armament. So this one is the second best. I was watching a video on how to do the dungeons like super quick, the new dungeon thing. And well, I had the second best, and he said I need the second worst, so then I got it. And I mean, some powers are like really cool, like, here, let me zoom out. This one, for example, I do that and then basically just shoot that. It's really cool. But then, like, other than that, there's not really much. Ooh, person. I mean, I guess there's also, like, this, where you go like that, and then... Oh, wait, now I understand what that power does. It teleports you to someone and screws them up. Okay, so next... Wait, what's this next power? Okay, let's see. Armaments. So that was the enchant could not load power description. Oh, well, that's great. So that's probably why it's not working. Oh. Okay, I wanna shoot this guy. It's gonna get... Did I get him? Oh yeah, I got him. Yeah, like the power is so cool. And it just looks so... I want damage. Damage me, please. Yes. 6 billion. You know, my health bar didn't even move. Like, okay, wait. I want to see how good is the range on this power. So if I were to do it like that way in front of me. Oh, wait. I didn't go in front of me. It's so hard to aim when you're on an iPad. It's just like, bruh. Okay, maybe if I do it like this. So that. And then I shoot it kind of up. Like I try to do that. Okay, yeah, so it went all the way over here. That's, you know, pretty good. Oh, 7 SP? That's a lot of damage. Actually, I'm going to send you to. Okay. And that is... Oh, this person's so dead. Yeah, there's no way that person's living. 9 SP? Oh. Wow. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, 9 SP. So this does 9 SP. Like, holy. Oh, someone here has the same power. And like, what I like about the first one is here, it summons a black hole before it does it. And then it's just like, it's super cool. Okay, alright. So I think, I don't know, what should I do? Maybe, you know, I'll try to do the dungeon. So I'm going to go do the dungeon and, well, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm in the dungeon and I am going to start. So, enter. And guys, so just for this first stage, I have a tip. Like, a tip of what to do. So, once you get here, just, like, scout. You see that rock there. So, you run, jump, try to take 0 damage, then get up here. Because this rock, they cannot climb. So, then you just start spamming all your powers, and they just can't do anything about it because they suck. Okay, but the next stage is where it kind of starts getting a little bit harder. Because here you could stand somewhere. But on the next stage, like, not so much. So, these guys almost dead, or... Yeah, they should be done soon. Just to finish it off, do a fireball, and let's just spam that. Gosh, how is he not done? Like, seriously. Did I get him? Sheesh. How much health does this guy have? Okay, did I get him? Okay, yeah, I got him. So what could I stand on here? So I tested that rock. I tested that one. Maybe the sword? Could I do that? Alright, well, give it a shot. Oh, that's not a rock that you could stand on. Come on, sword. Oh, wait, no, they could climb that. They could climb the sword. Okay, this is bad. Wait, will they fall? Oh, I'm a genius. Wait, they won't follow me here? Come on, follow me. Oh, no, wait, they can't go. They can't go here. Okay, I'm going to need to scout. Oh, they already see me. That's... Okay, so let's wait for them to go back. Okay. Where... Is there anything that I could stand on? I already tested that rock. Okay. I really don't... Oh, what about that rock in the back? Okay, you know what? Before we do that, I'm gonna use my healing power. Oh, wait, it doesn't work. It doesn't work in here. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna make a run for it. Probably gonna lose one of my lives, most likely. Can they climb this? Oh, they can climb it. What about this? They're not climbing it. Oh, let's go. Okay, I figured it out. Let's do this. Wait, how did I die exactly? How did I die? Hey, that does not make sense. Okay, let's try that again. Curse technique. Marco. Alright. So that rock worked. So let's gather all of these guys up. And here. Oh, they're climbing it. Darn it, that's not good. What about this? Are they going to climb this? Oh, wait, they have special powers? Kidding. Oh, God. Okay, it's coming. I'm going to climb this. No? Okay, good. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm just gonna have to run back and forth using these powers. Get this. I think I'm in a good spot. Can they climb? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Pow. I don't think they could climb this, so this is good. Wait, are they all dead? Okay, next stage. What can okay, I'm going to do a bit of scouting. What can I stand on there? I didn't know they could climb that big rock in the... that's gonna be bad. I will... I'm gonna have to make a run. Oh my, what the hell? What in the world? Okay, up. No, I can't stand on that. Okay, what about this? No, I can't stand on anything. Okay, what about, can I get them back here? No, they're despawning. Okay, only this guy. I'm just going to take this guy out. Alright, this is going good. He's dead, I think. My gosh, it's going to be so hard. Okay, let's get him. Okay, I got that guy. Okay, let me stand on this, please. No, they could climb that. They could climb. No, okay, yeah. I don't get it. How am I supposed to, like, do this? Wait a minute. I think I just figured something out. Couldn't I just launch things at them? Oh, no, it breaks here. Come on. Can I jump up into the air and oh, I can. Okay, I just need to make sure that I do not fall. Because if I fall, then... I mean, I'm just dead. Like, if I fall, I'm just, gonna just die. Okay, so I just need to get rid of the bosses. So, these guys, come on, just die, please, please. Just die, I need you dead, please, no one likes you, just die. Okay, he's dead. Okay, so, one guy left. Wait, is he trapped on the other side of the map? Okay, let's get him. Okay, I might actually do this. Okay, he's dead. Oh, God. Okay, this is bad. Yeah, definitely bad. Okay, I got him. So I'm going to wait until my power reloads. Okay, so I think I am going to finish that stage. And then, or if I finish that stage or die, I will bring you guys back. So I was just doing the dungeon and my game crashed. So I don't think I'm going to be doing the dungeon again. So yeah. So I think, wait, is this guy good? Let's see. No, he's not. All right. Here, let's see. I think I'm just going to use my curse technique. Wait, did he? Yeah, I want to get someone else out of the safe zone, like this person. Aha, I got him. Aha, what a noob. Okay. You know what? Okay, I think I am going to end the video here. If you guys want me to do another video on this, and I will use the limitless one, which is the best one. I will try to get it. So you can see right here, limitless. I will try to get limitless. But anyways, like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.